In this video, we're going to show you to install the taillight on your Ford Mustang located on the rear side of the vehicle. Now with the trunk lid open, we're going to go ahead and access our little cargo net hook here. This will unthread. So go ahead and unscrew this here out of the back. This works as a trunk liner retainer as well as a hook. We'll go ahead and grab this here and peel back the liner to access the back side of the taillight. Now, even though you can do the taillight with this just kind of holding back here, it does keep flopping back. We're going to go ahead and use our trim tool to pop out these buttons right here. And pop these out. You can remove that bezel and you can comfortably pop this aside and let it rest. Now right up on the bottom side here, there's going to be another retaining button. Use your trim tool, pop that right off. You do want to go ahead and work this out a little bit so you can go ahead and gain access to the studs around the back side. There are 10mm nuts. We want to go ahead, loosen, and remove those nuts. We're going to use a 7/16 deep socket, loosen and remove these nuts. Go ahead and grab that tail light, pull that straight back. That's going to expose the back side of our lamp assembly. We have the sockets here. We're going to turn these counterclockwise and then remove the bulb. We're going to do this for all of these. Pull the harness out of the little retainer tabs. And remove that tail light. On the back side of your tail light, go ahead and remove the protective decals here. And we'll go ahead and install our bulbs. Now these are keyed, meaning that there are locking tabs on here that are different sizes. They're only going to fit in one way. Once that falls in, go ahead and turn that clockwise and you're going to feel it lock into place. Don't forget to install the little harness retainers. These just press into the holes in the back here. And once you have this all set up, we can simply line up the studs inside the body. On the outer edge, there are 2 plastic pins that line up with holes in the quarter panel. Simply going to line these up, push this into place. Let's go on the inside and install the nuts. Now that we have the taillight installed, go ahead and get those nuts started, a few threads. There'll be 4 of them. Now that we have those started, let's go ahead and snug them down. Now what you want to do is just snug them. They don't have to be super tight. We're just securing a piece of plastic into the body of the vehicle. And just come back to our first one and just snug that. Line up your trim. And go ahead and line up that button over here. Go ahead and push that up into place. Let's go ahead and flip up the other panel here. Get this tucked in the way it should be. Install our cargo hook here and thread that in all the way. Let's install our lower trim panel next. Go ahead and line this up. I'm just going to use the butt of our tool here. Just go ahead and tap those in. Once you have that trim panel done, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.